Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the coded inequalities based on either or case. Either or case means in which type of question we have to go with the option either or case. Either one or two follows like that. Okay. As already you know, for each question they will provide 4 options, right? In those 4 options, one option will be definitely either or, either one or two follows. Okay, for remaining options we can directly say the conclusion 1 follows, the conclusion 2 follows, like that. Okay, in either or case, how we have to go with that option I am going to explain now. Okay, either or. Okay, what are all the cases we have to go with the option either one or two follows. Okay, I am going to explain today. In previous classes I have explained about coded inequalities basics and then some questions that are actually going to give in the examination, right? Now this is very important concept. Please, if you want to learn with this particular topic, please go with previous topics regarding the coded inequalities, then only you will able to get the clarity about this particular topic. Okay, don't come directly to this particular topic because you don't understand anything. If you go with that previous topics and then come to this topic, then you will get full clarity about this particular topic. Okay, now for suppose if they have given that A is greater than or equals to B, assume that this is the statement they have given in the examination. Okay, now the conclusions are A is greater than B and the another one is A is equals to B. Okay, these are the conclusions they have given in the examination. Okay, first solve the conclusions separately. Okay, what is the first conclusion here? A is greater than B, right? So here in the statement A is greater than or equals to B. So A is greater than B is wrong initially. Okay, don't go directly. Okay, initially A is greater than B is wrong. Then come to the second conclusion. Here what is the second conclusion? A is equals to B. Got it? So here see, A is greater than or equals to B in the statement, but in the conclusion A is equals to B. So this is also wrong with the second conclusion, right? Now what we have to do is, whenever we see the complementary pair like this, in the case of coded inequalities, if they have given A is greater than B and A is equals to B, or otherwise A is less than B and A is equals to B, means this will comes under complementary pair. Okay, if we see any complementary pairs like this, means we have to combine these. By combining these two complementary pairs, what we get is, A is greater than or equals to B. By combining these two complementary pairs, we get A is greater than or equals to B, right? Now for this particular type of questions, we have to go with conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Got it? It's totally based on conclusion. If we see any complementary pairs like this, means then we'll definitely go with the either 1 or 2 follows. When we have to go directly means, if the complementary pairs satisfied this statement, then we have to go with either 1 or 2 follows. Okay, so here what is the answer means, here what we got, A is greater than or equals to B. Yeah, it's completely satisfied this statement, so we have to go with the either conclusion 1 or 2 follows, isn't it? Got it? Now let me explain the another examples to get clear clarity. The second one is A is less than or equals to B statement. This is the statement. Okay, now the conclusions are A is less than B and A is equals to B. These are the conclusions they have provided in the question. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we have to go separately with the conclusions. Okay. A is less than B is the first conclusion. Now, we have to check in this statement, right? Now, A is less than B. Here, A is less than or equals to B. So, this one is wrong. Okay. Now, A is equals to B. A is less than or equals to B. So, this one is also wrong. By combining these two conclusions, we get A is less than or equals to B. Yes, these satisfied the statement. Now, in this case, we have to go with the either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Got it? Let me explain some more examples which are actually going to give in the examination. Okay? Whenever we see the equals to symbol, we have to remove that equals to symbol, okay, to avoid the confusion. I have already told about this in previous classes. Okay, please remove that equals to symbol to avoid confusion. Okay, between L and K, L is here, K is here. Between L and K, greater than or equals to is the symbol, right? So, here greater than is wrong and equals to is wrong initially, right? Whenever we see the complementary pair, we have to go merging of these two conclusions. Okay. Now, what we have to do is by merging these two conclusions, we get L is greater than or equals to K, right? Here, in between L and K, greater than or equals to is the common symbol, and yes, this is satisfied, right? Now, L is greater than or equals to K means L is greater than K and L is equals to K. We cannot, definitely say that L is greater than K and L is equals to K. Both the answers are true, right? So, here what we have to do is we have to go with either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Okay, we have to go with the option either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Got it? And the another example, we have to write this equation without equals to symbol. Got it? Now, the conclusions are A is equals to K and A is greater than K are the conclusions for this particular question. Okay. Now, in between A and K, what are the symbols we have to see, right? A is here, K is here. In between A and K, greater than or equals to is the common symbol, right? Here A is equals to K, initially it's wrong. A is greater than K, also wrong. Okay. By combining these two statements, we get A is greater than or equals to K. Got it? So, here in this type of conclusion, we have to go with which option? Yes, either 1 or 2 follows is the correct answer for this type of questions. Yes, this is the another example I am going to solve now, and the conclusions are, first conclusion is L is less than K, L is equals to Y. Whenever we see, like this, yeah, here L and K, L and Y, these are two different, letters, right? By seeing these two letters, we cannot conclude that this is not the complementary pair, okay? Here, K and Y are equal. So, how can we write this is got it? By seeing the different letters, in conclusion 1, L and K are there. In conclusion 2, L and Y are there. By seeing the letters are different. By seeing that, we can conclude that this is not a complementary pair. So, please don't do like that. Okay. Now, we have to see what is the answer. Now, L is less than K. L is here, K is here. Here, in between L and K, less than or equals to is the common symbol. Okay. Yeah, this one is wrong. Here only less than is there. And L is equals to Y. L is here, Y is here, but L, K and Y are same in the equation, right? So by seeing this, how can we write it? L is equals to YK. Got it? Less than or equals to is the common symbol. So this is also false initially. Then by combining these two statements, what we get is, L is less than or equals to Y and K, right? So by combining these two statements. So with this type of questions, what we have to do is we have to go with the option either conclusion 1 or 2 follows, right? So here what is the answer means? Either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Got it? So these are the cases we have to go with the conclusion either 1 or 2 follows. Okay, I hope you all understand this. Some particular examples about the either or case in coded inequality topic. Okay, I have discussed all the type of coded inequalities in previous lessons. So please go with the basics and then the second lesson, third lesson. Okay, by learning the concept from the basics, you will get very clarity about that particular topic. You can able to solve any type of question they have provided in the examination. If they provided the easiest one or if they provided the tough question in the examination, you can definitely solve that questions if you go and learn with the basics. Okay, please go and learn from the basics to advanced. Okay, if you are thorough about these particular classes regarding coded inequalities, then you will be able to crack the coded inequalities very easily. So this is the very easy concept in reasoning topic. So please practice more and more to get the clarity about this particular topic. I'll come with the another topic in another session. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.